Let's talk about lighting. Back in the olden days of camping, we used to have a propane tank and use a lantern that you'd attach to, and you lug that around your camp. But again, that was what you would use for your lighting. Now with the lithium batteries, we have so many new options. We are currently in our rooftop tent with our single strip of LED lights being powered by a battery pack. So we have fully migrated from the use of propane for our lighting sources. It's cleaner, easier to use. Here's our top 3 lighting options that we use camping that have rechargeable batteries. Number 1 on our list is a good headlamp. We found these BioLite headlamps. Greg originally had signed up for a 12-hour night run and needed a source of light. And we found these and loved it so much that we bought some more. They're rechargeable, have different settings, easy to adjust. Just pull them forward. And you have like a spotlight, you have a little dimmer light, and you can actually dim the lights as well. You have a flashing light and a red light, which is pretty cool when it's really dark and you don't want to disturb all your neighbors, but still need to see. And they last a long time. The nice thing also about these is buttons at are dots at the back, and it tells you exactly how full your battery charge is. There's a nice little rubber covering for the charging station right there. And then the other thing about this light is that you can tilt it as needed. Button to switch the settings. Nice adjustable options for making it for your skinny little head, or in Greg's case, a little bigger head. The manufacturer says that on low setting, you have a 40-hour run time, or on the really bright setting, it's 3.5 hours. If say you're on a hike with this little port, you can add an external pack like we have for our lighting and use it to charge while you're actually still using the lights. They are light enough that you can just keep wearing them in the campsite even if you don't have them on, and just use it when you need it. So we do keep these fully charged at our house and just keep them on a hook by all our keys, so we have them in case of emergency. Number 2, a rechargeable flashlight. We were camping at a local brew fest a few years back and happened upon this guy in the middle of the road. It's probably one of the best flashlights we've ever had. This happens to be an Ozark Trail. It has 2 features, or light settings, the higher and the lighter. One nice thing about it is the charge port is covered by a little rubber bit, so you don't have to worry about it coming off and losing it. And a nice rubber turning on spot. If you're sitting around the camp table and you want to have a little bit more of a diffused light, you could just put this up against a water bottle and it'll spread it out a little bit more. The difference between these two is this one can be lost. This one will be attached to your head. A little bit easier to remember where it's at. So these are our go-to camp lighting for around the actual campsite. The nice thing about these are they're LED. They have a plastic bulb, so you don't have to worry about them shattering if they accidentally fall down. It's got a USB plug that we actually put right into our jackery. We normally attach these to our awning, so it makes us give us a little bit more extra light for when we're cooking. They don't take much power. All these lights, 10 bulbs, only use 4 watts of power. The jackery is our main source of power, and we have some videos that you can check out here regarding the jackery. But we do have some smaller battery packs on hand just in case. Go hit the comments and let us know what you guys are using for your lighting while camping. There are so many options out there. Give us a like if you thought that this was helpful. You'll find the links to the items we talked about in the description below. And don't forget to check out exploretrekadventure.com, where you'll learn more about us and some of our favorite gear. Hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next time.